Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Bestway 18-foot by 48-inch Steel Pro pool set with skimmer. Stay in cool this summer in the Bestway Steel Pro round frame above ground pool set. This swimming pool includes the Bestway Pool Surface Skimmer to clear debris. Hook the surface skimmer over the wall of the pool, right near its suction inlet. Right after it attaches to the filter pump, it will start cleaning away. It has an adjustable mounting bracket, so it can move to match the pool surface's water line. Product benefits: side walls built of Tritech material to resist wear and stand up to all weather conditions. The skimmer is made of corrosion-proof plastic material, so it can handle even the toughest pool chemicals. Antimicrobial filter with ChemConnect system to fights off mold and algae growth. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.